It's 9 o'clock, I just woke up, and I should leave pretty soon because there's a 90% chance it's gonna start snowing at 11 o'clock. So, let's get ready to go. First, I gotta find all my clothes, get dressed, and then leave. Because I can't get stuck here again because I have no medicine. By the way, today is February 18th. Well, ain't this a bitch?
Sure.
We gotta go out on that. Wish me luck.
Is it recording?
I say do it first. Back.
We're done.
Alrighty, we're done.
We're done.
Almost broke my camera, yo. There's water everywhere.
Listen.
Guys, there's stuff on you.
It was up on
And
top
that's
of
not
the
even from where it's tail. That's just from the snow.
It's the ocean.
Listen, you, Jill, start turning that light off.
My bad.
Electric bill last month was $100 and something from leaving the
You
light.
look like Anna.
Huh?
You're Anna.
Haven't seen a smile like that since.
It's on my ass.
Jesus.
On my ass. It's on my ass. Yo,
Isn't this the side that you
let's see if I can back the fuck up. You're gonna hold the camera and we're gonna give you your first vlogging lesson. First of all, look at our lovely sunroof. It's gone, guys. Let's see if I can back up. Marissa's pressing.
What?
Marissa's pressing to my window.
I had to put it back there because all the snow.
Hey Marissa, y'all got 10-day gift in my window, girl.
I had to put it back there because it was on the floor and getting in was a pain in the ass. So
You don't have to stop. You can stop if you want to. We can keep going if you want to. Yo, I think I picked the greatest parking space in the history of mankind, yo. Except that we almost slipped.
Feel it.
So, I'm not going to put it in the video right now, but I got my LED hula hoop, and I guess you guys will see it tomorrow. I just hooped with it, and maybe I'll import some of the footage on here, or I'll put a link somewhere up here of a video of it. Tessa's making mac and cheese. What's today?
the 19th.
February 19th, 2015. I haven't vlogged at all today. And we're going to the Hooper's Ball tomorrow. Good night. Good night.
I'm going to eat.